What's cracking, guys? Welcome to this episode where we are going to build together an office chair. And I didn't mean to do it, I didn't plan to build an office chair, but it just happened that my chair broke, so I couldn't lift it anymore, and so I had to replace this unit and also the feather here. So now we have to put all these pieces together and see how it works. So let's get on with it. First thing you have to make sure is that all these pieces of the bearings are in the correct place before you put it together. Now I already made sure that everything is in order, and then we can put this on here, like so. Then I need another washer, I think it's called, and then we have this zipper here. We have to put it on top. This. Alright, looks good. Now what we have to do is put the seat on top of the mechanic system. So let's do that. Hopefully this system here is working now.
Ready?
We will see. I bought this chair used and it had a problem, and luckily the one who sold the chair to me was kind enough to send us a replacement unit. So this is looking much better already. The one thing that is missing is this part. Now we have to put these two here together. Like so. You don't have to hammer it down. It will just put in place if you sit on it. Everything will just hold itself in place. So. Final part. Almost looks like an office chair, right? Almost. Can't wait to see now if everything is working. So, fingers crossed. Right, nice and tight. Okay, moment of truth. Looking good? Yes, it's working. Now the one thing that didn't work was the function to get back. So, okay, that works. It works! Nice! I'm so happy now. Alright, now I can work, right? If you like this video, then please also check out my channel called Fun Tech. There will be lots of fun videos coming out about tech and also how to repair things and stuff like this. So, thank you for watching. Peace out for now. Bye.